Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Well, in today's report, we'll talk about three major stories. First, the split in the National Democratic Movement, also known as NDM, and the ouster of Dr. Machar. Second, we'll talk about Peter Bajak, a US-based South Sudanese activist facing a court case in America over alleged weapon smuggling. Third, we'll talk about the ongoing trial of suspended first by President Dr. Machar and new evidence in the Nasser military garrison case. Before we move on with this top story, I would like you to help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's begin our report with NDM split and Dr. Machar ouster. A group within the National Democratic Movement, or NDM, has announced that they have removed Dr. Machar as the party leader. This happened in Juba on Wednesday, where Peter Lomode Francis, a senior NDM member, spoke to the press. The splitter group say that Dr. Machar broke party rules many times. They stated that Dr. Machar acted alone in decision making, and this hurt democracy within the party. Peter Lumuda say the decision was unanimous and effective immediately. He said, after discussion and review, the party decided to remove Dr. Machar from his position as chairman. He will remain a regular party member. The group accused Dr. Machar of creating parallel party structure, interfering in election, and promoting tribal favoritism. For example, he canceled parliamentary caucus election in February 2025 without consulting the party. And in August 2025, he influenced internal elections by favoring members of his tribe. The splitter group also criticized him for favoring his family and ethnic group in government and military position that the NDM received under power sharing agreement. According to the statement, Dr. Machar gave 4 out of 9 key positions to people from his own tribe and 1 seat to his in-law. The NDM group further say that Dr. Machar caused division not only in NDM but also in the South Sudan Opposition Alliance, which is SAWA. They also raised concern about party finances, saying there was a lack of transparency there and accountability since NDM party started in 2016. Senior party members were allegedly dismissed without proper process. The splitter group named Majobiel Turuk, the former NDM Secretary General, as interim chairman until the next conference. Majub Bielteruk has also served as governor of Jonglei State in the past. The NDM group called for unity and reaffirmed their commitment to the 2018 peace agreement, saying this is a new chapter for NDM, focusing on collective leadership and respect for party institutions. But the official NDM party rejected this move. A spokesperson, Kaitab Gatchang, say the splitter group is acting outside official party rules, and stated that only the National Leadership Council can change party leadership. The group that claimed to remove Dr. Lama Kol has already been expelled. This is just a few individuals trying to divide the party, according to him. Mr. Kai wanted party supporters not to panic, saying the NDM is strong and will not be shaken by these individuals. Let's look at the background. This conflict came after NDM complained that the ruling Sudan People Liberation Movement was taking position assigned to NDM under the 2018 peace deal. Dr. Lama Kol was removed as Transport Minister in October 2025 by President Salva Kiir Mayardit after only 5 months. He is a veteran politician, part of South Sudan Liberation Movement and founder of NDM in 2016. Before that, he led SPLM, Democratic Change, and even ran against President Salva Kiir Mayardit in the 2010 presidential election. Now let us move on. Peter Bear court case in the US. Let's talk about Peter Bear Ajak. Peter Bear Ajak is a South Sudanese academic and political activist based in the United States. Bear is facing a US federal court hearing this week in Phoenix, Arizona. Peter Bear and co-defendant Abraham Chol Kesh are accused of trying to buy and export military weapons to South Sudan without permission. The US government say this is a violation of federal export and army trafficking laws. The hearing is a part of pre-trial proceeding, and the two men have pleaded not guilty. Let's look at the allegations. US prosecutors say the men tried to obtain automatic rifles, grenade launchers, sniper rifles, and missile and ammunition. The weapons were allegedly meant to go through a third country to hide the final destination. The authorities also say they tried to disguise the deal as a consulting or humanitarian work and mislabel it the item as non-military equipment. South Sudan is under a UN army embargo, so moving weapons without permission is illegal under international and US law. If convicted, Peter Bear and his co-defendant could face long prison sentences up to 20 years per count. This case has attracted attention because Peter Bear is known as a civil society leader and governance reform advocate. He has previously been detained in South Sudan for his activism and has spoken internationally on peace building and democracy. Many supporters were surprised by his arrest as they view him primarily as a peace and civil rights advocate, not someone linked to army activity. The hearing this Friday may discuss procedural matters, evidence, or trial schedule, but the case could take months to resolve. Let's move on to our final report. Let's talk about the trial of first by President Dr. Machar in Juba. The trial is ongoing, and a South African forensics expert submitted new photos, videos, and messages this week. The evidence is related to the Nasser military garrison attack in March 2025. The investigator, Peter Calvin, a South African forensic expert, presented WhatsApp and text messages, photos and video from a Samsung Galaxy phone of one accused, Port Kangchol, a letter from Machar forming a 10-member committee to help move South Sudan People Defense Forces soldiers from Malakal to Nasser. Other key pieces of evidence include lists of wounded and killed soldiers, audio recording of interview with local commander, video of White Army leader giving instruction before the attack. The prosecution say these show planning and coordination of the attack. We killed 257 SSPDF soldiers, including Commander David Majudak, and damage or seized military equipment was around 58 million. And in that retaliation, President Salva Kiir Mayardit sent Uganda gunship and targeted civilian in Nasser, and that led to the killing of children, elderly women, using incendiary weapons. The 47th session of the special court lasted nearly 3 hours. The trial will continue on Friday, February 6, when the expert is expected to finish testimony. Dr. Machar and 7 others face charges including murder and conspiracy, terrorism and treason, destruction of property, and crime against humanity. This is one of the most significant trials in South Sudanese politics in recent years, and it will likely shape the future of security and political accountability in the country. Bia Kamal Gwaseme ka Changfied YouTube channel bar winding konlat Korean banakeling banajetok kalatiniam akan konuniam mi jram jidit Gwaseme gorjen ojin there is Changfied YouTube channel, there is support, there is subscribe, kode notification bell, there is jetwany komite mishi barida shwamala shubekaji ka Gwas dana paila rich te kon kelera dang dok ti bombom to banaling jawni am banaling banarach ka daga dana ci chuo kam National Democratic Movement man chala NDM me raike Dr. Lama call chala do chalam cha Dr. Lama call chaja joje ken ka Dr. Lama call Ramadan and Chak Party banjeling rewde banarach ka kui Peter biara jak wood South Sudanese mutaka US wal mi chala do jen chawna no dera match dera kanang rar re which ka US ka dera kanang ka South Sudan chala do banang re lok ka America ban jelinga jom ci na me lere joga baro itin bala dung first by president ka luka jen wani baro dien men cha luk re wiki Juba gwada dan en cha nen wood South Africa men cha Peter chaje titin ke che evidence cha ganyot te la no cha ko ne ke cha ling ka first by president Dr. Machar ke kwemen te konte cha nan ka South Africa me cha ko tem tineken bari ponti bana kilinga gwa ken kon yam please gorno jin bi channel bi support bi subscribe ka bi notification bell bi jetwany tuonga je kamenti tuo ka Dr. Lama call jen che par Michel ka National Democratic Movement che de chak Dr. Lama call yal Dr. Lama call a jawin awajen chaja kapinke chaja joj e jawdan chalat gwaseme chaje removed ka party leader jala kwero ka bono chale NDM michina me tuogare wiki juba ka chenga diok Gwasmi ci Peter Lumudi Francis Ramla senior ke NDM ka National Democratic Movement Gwasmi ci right tin ka media ka ta dana let group dia roda ka ja kadi de kon charen wo ke NDM ci kala do ne Dr. Lama Call ci ngotin kon yan ka party din la party NDM ci ka tul na ka tungwan ci en chenga nyam so kuje mo ci ne ngwang ka ci party ci yar ka party gen a democracy party munyono mutem la rana baje dealing ka baje ling ne ideal ka baje de saibo ne ideal kel Peter Lumede chela do ne ajene decision en chala da George ka chale lo immediate no baje dil George gwan mo chi ga right tin ke chi ga nyur kan NDM party members kan ji kan decide no bika Dr. Lama Call bika jo ka position there as a chairman ko jala chairman chala jen bijen just a regular party member bijen party members ni jen ba katin ko ngan ka gwain ka Dr. Lama Call kan ti ko cha woni ya bang cha week goin mi cha goin ka ja Dr. Lama Call chala do jen cha party structure cha ja wache interfere ka kwin kwarebo ka jena wache tribal favoritism cha ja promote lo che kwani ji duaren kene kontin kador dana betin Dr. Lama Call wajen che election mi chalat che je council ka jen pyre we dan ronkin dan rojen dan roje de kwa dan de election de lat ka je wa decision ka tebe ka je ka pay ba da ronkin dan rojen dan roje de wajen ba che meng ni shemane ka wo kan ne kontin che favor ka jen party na mo achine kon charen wo ka party mi kala no Dr. Lama Call jen cha kwani shemane karodian ka kuje mo share power sharing HR leka and the peace agreement je yar ka jomo chalat gwasame wa Dr. Lama Call watch a position ni chop ko ngwan we position dang mangwan che kam shemane ya kam Dorian ya kam his own tribe ka jodan chalat gwasame kan kom to tone lo mi ka kom dang mangwan ka cha kom ngwan che ka wo che ka kam shemane tikala do ne Dr. Lama Call che party NDM che dak anyoga wate party mi je yarlong party mi chala South Sudan opposition alliance ala sowa jago da karodian ke influence tin kon be kaja tikala do ne chine Dr. Lama Call chine kapin ka chine wo so right now am link kon me Dr. Lama Call jen ajiram dan shakbon no jen shakbon on ka bon mo te ka jen male dan cha ta ke 2018 ti Dr. Lama Call che te ka jen peace agreement dan cha ta but right now jo jen wo ka jen agreement dan cha ta ke power sharing wache bu kwani shemane jen mi chine de la do chine da wo ke je chine wo cha Dr. Lama Call ka wase dan me cha kwani la transport minister cha wo no ka pai well ronki daro jandang ro de ka korpen dang de ka ro na sepke mi yadi alo cha jo witen en partner me michelle NDM jen chaka je ke 2016 jen wul shalka me Dr. Lama Call okay Dr. Lama Call jen ramu mabashi on ne dare kin yadi dare je challenge ke 2010 presidential election logoro dare la kwer charo yumu ka par de gol ka sona mo chala da bonen o chine lugo no bidi ne tikel ke Dr. Lama Call ko shawu kwani shemane ka par so mi le rode chanyo lat gwas me rada dien mi la rande ki randien wuda dien mi chirwach ka do bdane chala ge gwas me ni te ko wun mi chirwach tin mlada go ne men chala gwas me enetin konen chala split ka keren chalen goire kumeka kanai chi thok wun mi chala kai tab gat chang ajela spokesperson ka NDM kan en group dan chi jen no chika part of this ke individual party ngode e intact ke jatin tele mishi joj tele mishi ngok so kujemo ajena kwaje disregard en taran chala jeno Dr. Lama Call chaje wika party NDM ko Dr. Lama Call jeram dan chak NDM no so na me da la je report and yene link gwazame chana right ka kwi wudi shala Peter Biar chana madan sholat ka kwi chana jalat Peter Biar court case chala ro de je to jen Friday in be Peter Biar jen South Sudanese mitere which ka US jen charge going gwazame kenyam jen rami mo mala roch lo activist la roja ka ta dan hukume je ka je but kana kon ngaje no Peter Biar dong da alarm mo dong de me dara ka watch ke dara ka nang wi ka South Sudan ka jo machalat gwasame US Federal Court hearing machalat ke jen jobu ben balat ka Phoenix Arizona chala do Peter Biar chaje yen kan ramkel melako defendant Michal Avram Cholkech waken chaga gwanyo ken chiko ko kamech to kan no de kan ka watch re wi ka US de kan nang re wi ka South Sudan kan mecha to chikum US larno nan kan ke tele ka permission mi chikana ngun chikala do kan mecha to ne to me ditikatin automatic rifle lamete kona dwaike grenade launchers la chit ke RPG ndo ko kena to ke sniper kan day min tongwan waman kwa logo long di USA la ta dan chicken mecha kan de wo ke jere wichin bine mi ka ta dan chala jabwas me ko ni report waken shikana goro de kan me de kan wido de ko nangre wi ka South Sudan no ka kujimo me chi to gene ko dob dan de kan nanga je wa me cha ka level no kan non military item ke non military requirement lo chale no ka to walung na ka ke shika match ka shika ngun ka shika ning de ne no nyen ta dana shikan nan on ka ja chineti jigala no NBR kan da man dan te kel wa chikan le lo chere mi ka ji kan ning humanitarian wakatit kona nan kan ka chikan ka mislabeled kan item to ti chal cha gore kan non military equipment ka kana wa ka match ka kujimo ci kuma South Sudan kala da man chalat biyar kana daman ke kana mere namo an wa mijak men lokalon kuma USA ci kala da wannan South Sudan ne ka gwase dan caje ngugo no ce de ko kamech UN army embargo caje restrict ne GUS and hotel South Sudan te de ko kamech gwan te ko ken ga witin ko ken jan do be dan e wa wudu me waje yen kaja ke international and US law me cha ye restrict che goro biana mo biajelat wa ci Peter Biar che deal mo ke restriction wache je break ka joran chalat chakola do ne misha Peter Biar chaji gno ramiti ke duir waje dongda tene grunde jen dangro katijen run jen dangro dan in katijen dongde je kulo mi chaji gno jen ramiti ke duir so chajo mo chaje la no no ne dun wan china gach ka wo chaje yen ko en Biar agent activist ka gorje ne tin wan ka ta dan la roje ka kwikir mi yadit kum kim yadit kum ci je kum kim yadit jen che gorno ben war bakanak it was a planet systematic way no bigan war bakan ngana gare yiki 2013 la ni chiang na mo me tin ka jen la roda right now right konen so cha Peter Biar cha la do ne ka chianga di ka jogan be ben chala do jen ba jen an gwalo ka ba lugo mo ba jo luk ba jo ngaje no jen adwera dien cha dur mi aje dur but ba ka dil yen ka runi jen dang ro reti jen but gweje no ken I'm sure no ba ka dil ko ni point en kum South Sudan point chicken deal e dan e chala da kum US chicken break and UN army embargo chicken break ko tam right now ko kan Uganda ko kan ko ken ko wi jala ko ken kamach so na mo amle roda bana manan to ko gwad be bana jalil la rja gwaz me bala dung first by president Machar jen chalu de chaje lu jen wani de barodien kaman chalat gwaz me ka biya tekan lengten South African digital forensic expert che den wan che galat ebden to che turni video ni che ka nyosna aka che message tin wan cha use ko WhatsApp and to first by president Machar che ka teten kantin ko ne chalat gwaz me la ebden ka turn ko ne che nyot ramanya ma cha gwan pot kang shol ke mobile Michal ka Samsung Galaxy wate ke message ni cha camera ten jen wuri chal kamo e Peter Calvin melakwar melaran South Africa mi cha jure kirmi yadit nyok chikan warga len mi kana jegano chi first by president Dr. Chatin ite ga 10 member de cha kwan ne wali cha kwan ne dang die ka ne te ka ulang ne dang di ko ken ka ne ti jen tilaji nasir ano ka ne te kan bundang agam bon me la bundang ro te cha ga jogo no yena BSSP dia ba kan ngam malakal biya kan nang na nasir ateriang beto warga mi cha gora first by president anyok kan te ga bidon ko ken ga jek take a list of kecho ne ya gor ya kam ke ti ya kam de ni te SPLIO ti cha ne kan wer wa yam ya nek cha chuden ja kam ke ne to e chaga share ka kan video nin ko ya je ki ka message ya je WhatsApp nyok chike audio ni ko kieni kan ga je kan audio do to ko audio ni nyozo chet kamen ngai ko ne kan audio do to ni jo we dane sha podcast short cha je ti ka je ke cha je interview ka je radio Mraya FM na ona dung UN mete ga je ka kuin kware ka election ka mi chala do shi podcast chala do Ramadan and 2018 peace agreement she violate kirim yadit so kijamo chala do ne men chala ke eble ko ne aje nyu do no tidiale chaling no ke bon kum SPL ayo so ti kana kon shodi en lat nyok chala do chaje nyom yot ge nyam ka chang ka badak ke shengen be shanga bakal ka pairo me chala do ba liang din ba nyong wajeling nyoki ba lugumo ba jo look re which ka juba ka ki first by president dakuma chaten kana jo kware ka jo danan chalin ka jala chang bakal ka pairo ron kin dang ro jandang ro wi de bakal ba lugum ba nyong wajel look na me de la jena dana dong devin ka je be nyaw non another report full report ka information ko na lat krodien and be ta mal bye.